Spirit of God, stretch me, enlarge me. Let your hand be with me. Jabez cried out, Lord, bless me indeed. Let your hand be near, let your grace lead. You turn my pain into holy fire. You take my story and lift it higher. You said to Zion, do not fear anymore. Enlarge your tent, open every door. Your promise stands steady and sure, and every blessing from you is pure. So lengthen the cords, strengthen the stakes. Do it in power that only your spirit makes. Though I started small, I will rise and break forth, 'cause your word is alive, your grace is my source. Enlarge my territory. Oh no, I'm ready. Spread me wide, stretch me far. Let your glory rest on me. My territory. Your hand is steady. You spoke the word, and I believe it shall be. You lift the barren, you strengthen the weak. You fill the broken with power when they seek. From desert valleys to nation unknown, you call my name and you make me your own. You said, see enough. You said, break out and sing. So I raise my voice to the Almighty King. Stand me, enlarge me, enlarge me. Let your spirit go before me. Break limits, break boundaries, stretch my tent to destiny. I will not fear, I will not shrink. Your promise is bigger than what I think. Expect me. Expect me. Enlarge my territory. Oh Lord, I'm ready. Spread me wide, stretch me far.